Hey guys, this is Anali and I am back with a new tutorial. This tutorial we would be discussing a problem regarding law of conservation of momentum. So guys, before that, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, do subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to get the notification about the newly uploaded videos. So the problem consists of a truck having the mass of 6 tons which is moving with a speed of 16 km per hour, and it runs into another stationary truck of mass 12 tons which is in contact with pair of the spring buffers. First of all, let us represent with the help of the diagrams. So this is truck having the mass of 6 tons and this is another truck having the mass of 12 tons which is in contact with spring buffers. Okay, so this truck is moving with a velocity of 16 km per hour, and this truck initially is at rest, and this spring is 50 mm compressed before this impact occurs. That means before this truck collides with this truck, this spring is initially compressed by 50 mm and the stiffness of the spring is given as 800 kN per meter. So first of all, let us note down the data which has been given here. So let us consider M1 as 6 tons, that is 6 into 10 raised to 3 kg. M2 as 12 tons, that is 12 into 10 raised to 3 kg. V1 as the velocity of this truck, that is given as 16 km per hour, that is equals to 16 into 10 raised to 3 divided by 3600. The value comes out to be 4.44 meter per second. This truck is initially at rest, so V2 must be equals to 0, and after this truck collides with this truck, they move as a combined mass with a common velocity. Okay, so now we are applying the law of the conservation of the momentum, which can be mathematically written as M1 V1 plus M2 V2, that is equals to M1 plus M2 into V. That is momentum before collision, that is equals to momentum after collision. After collision, these two trucks will move as a combined mass only with a common velocity, that is V. M1 is known, V1 is known, M2 is known, V2 is known, M1 plus M2 is known. We need to determine the value of V. So placing the values that we know, 6 into 10 raised to 3 into V1, that is 4.44 plus 0, that is equals to 18 into 10 raised to 3 into V. So the value of V comes out to be 1.48 meter per second. According to law of conservation of energy, so half mv square, that is equals to change in the kinetic energy of the spring, that is integral kx dx, where x is running from xi to xf. Okay, xi, that is given as, that is initial compression, that is mentioned as 0.05 meter, and xf we need to determine. So mass, that is the total mass of the truck, that is 12 plus 6, that is 18 ton. So 12 in 1 by 2 into 18 into 10 raised to 3. Common velocity that we have obtained is 1.48 square, that is equals to k, that is 800 into 10 raised to 3 divided by 2 into xf square minus xi square, and xi, that is known as 0.05 meter. So placing the value, we would be getting the value of xf as 0.227 meter. So this is the total compression of the spring, but we have been asked to determine how much further they will be compressed. So further they will be compressed by 0.227 minus 0.05. So the value comes out to be 0.177 meter. So we have obtained a compression of the spring as 0.227 meter, and further compression after the impact occurs, that is 0.177 meter. So guys, that's all from my side. If you have any doubt, do comment in the comment section, and thank you guys for watching this video.